Hello everyone, this is Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F41 headphone jack not working issue. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing headphone jack not working issue on Samsung Galaxy F41, so first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.